Hey guys, I'm real Zolaric. If this is the first time logging onto this channel, I say a warm welcome and thanks. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell because I have a lot more content to upload, which you will enjoy. Please feel free to share this video to any social media site. So let's jump straight into business. This video is basically for three groups of people. Who are the three groups of people? Those who are already into some other business, but they want to get involved with other businesses to grow or expand, what they are already into. This video is for people who maybe have the initial capital to invest, but they don't know what actually to invest in. This video is for those who will be inspired, motivated, or encouraged to do this business in Liberia. So, what type of business can you make 10,000 per month from in Liberia? It sounds like something that is impossible, but trust me, this is something that is possible. You can even make more than 10,000 from this identical business in Liberia. This business is the petroleum tanker business. What is it all about? It is all about transporting petroleum products from one destination to the next. Normally, it is about transporting petroleum products from the terminal, and in Liberia we have three terminals. We have the Connex terminal, we have Ecofuels or Shrimex terminals, and then we have LPRC. So it is about transporting petroleum products, from either of these terminals to their destination, wherever your customer or your client wants your product to go. So in Liberia, there are two traditional ways a truck or a tanker can transport petroleum product. What are these two ways? Either that tanker is being put under an importer and embedded within that importer trucking fleet, or that tanker can individually transport the petroleum product for his own clients. What does this actually mean? Say I bought a truck and decided to put it under Aminata trucking fleet. As per the terms and conditions, I will have to spray the truck to Aminata color, and then Aminata logo will have to be on my truck. But mind you, I will only be transporting that petroleum product for Aminata. That is Aminata's product. So whatever liabilities that incur will fall on me because I am the original owner or the actual owner of that truck. So the most common trucks that I hear are Scania, Aveco, Mercedes, and the Chinese trucks. The Chinese trucks, you have HOWO, HOWO, and you have Sino. The most common tanker capacities here in Liberia are somewhere around 3,000 to 8,000 gallons capacity, but our emphasis will be on the 5,000 gallons capacity. And just stay tuned, I will show you how you can make 10,000 or more from just a single truck. So we are currently on Alibaba. You see, for example, this truck, the price is 10 to 20,000. This is 15,540. This is 30,000. This is 20 to 50,000. So we assume that we bought a 5,000 capacity truck in China at a cost of 50,000 USD. So the importation cost, let us just put a lump sum amount of 5,000. So your total cost of bringing one of those brand new trucks will be somewhere around 55,000. Let's jump straight into the calculations without any delay. We assume that the total capacity of the tanker we bought was 5,000. So 5,000. And the truck that was bought was put within the Aminata trucking fleet. So it made 3 trips for Aminata. So multiply by 3. So the transportation cost per gallon from the terminal here in Monrovia to where you deliver the product, say Maryland, right? From Monrovia to Maryland, the cost is 92 cents. So 15,000 multiply 0.92. So it gives 13,800 USD. We're talking USD, right? So of the 13,800 USD, because this will be the total income generated per month, right? So of this 13,800, let's assume 25% for operation, right? So 0.25. So $3,450, we assume this as our operation cost, right? So 13,800 minus 3,450, it gives $10,350. This is what that will be left in our hands at the end of the day.